My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now see we have discussed the algorithm, right? So according to the algorithm, we know there will be three cases. Either it can be less than slope, it can be greater than slope, or it can be equal to the slope. Okay. So if the slope is less than 1, that means the x will be incremented by 1 unit and y will move through the derivation. Okay, so that is what we will see, that how the y will be moved. And for the first case, you just remember that xk plus 1 is equals to xk plus 1. And for the second case, if n is greater than 1, so in that case, x will be incremented by 1 by n. That means the initial value of x and the inverse of the slope. And that is the derivation. So we will see how this value come, and then y will be incremented by 1 unit. So yk plus 1. And if m is equal to 1, so both of them will be incremented by 1 unit, 1 unit. So we will not go for that. We will see only these two derivation, that how the value comes. So see, for the first case, so for the case 1 where m is less than 1. So if m is less than 1, then so what we know, m is equals to what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? That is the initial value. So here if I denote, but instead of x1, x2, I'm writing here xk, that is the starting value, and the ending value, let's say xk plus 1. So the same way it will be yk, and it will be y k plus 1. So now here, instead of writing y2 minus y1, I can also write yk plus 1 minus yk. Then xk plus 1 minus xk. Okay, so you understand how we get this, right? So as we know, that is slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I am just writing, instead of x2 y2, I am writing k by k plus 1. I am denoting. So what we know in the first case or first condition, that is if x is less than 1, according to the algorithm, we know that x suffix k plus 1 equals to what we can write, xk plus 1. Okay. So now what we can write here, m is equals to, so here it will be the same, that is yk plus 1, then minus yk, and then we will have xk plus 1 xk. So this plus xk and this xk can be cancelled, plus minus xk can be cancelled. So what we will get, So if we do the cross multiplication, so m into this, right? So y k plus 1 minus yk equal to m. So how we can find yk plus 1? So like y k plus 1 will be equal to m plus yk. Okay. Any question here?
No, ma'am.
So the same way we can also do for the case 2. Okay. So for case 2, where m is greater than 1, the same formula. So as we know, y equal to, so y k plus 1 minus yk divided by xk plus 1 minus xk. And what you know from the algorithm, that is y k plus 1 equal to yk plus 1. So now you just put the value.
ম্যাম এই জায়গা y এর জায়গায় m হবে না? y is equal to
Sorry. Yes. It should be m. M is equal to. But we have xk plus 1 minus 6k. So this yk will be cancelled, and then do the cross multiplication. Then we will have m into x k plus 1 equals to so if I take m on that side, we will have xk plus 1 minus xk equals to 1 by n. Okay. So now x k plus 1 will be equal to the initial value of x, that is xk, plus 1 by n. Okay. understand, right? So, okay, all right. So I am giving you one problem. So you just try to solve it using the algorithm, okay? Genia, Genia,
Yes, ma'am.
so why are you joining now?
Ma'am, there was no electricity, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, so you see the problem and you just try to solve it, okay? Just try and I will solve. But first you just try. If anyone wants to go for namas, you can go and then you can again join, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So see here. Let's say we have the starting point A, that is 0, 0, okay? It will be given in the question, and we have the ending point, that is E, and it is given, let's say, whatever it is, let's say 7, 7 or whatever. So if we start from here, first step is that we have to calculate our slope, right? So what is the slope here? Tell me what is the slope here?
Ma'am,
And
1.
7 minus 0, then 7.
Yeah, 7 minus 0, 7 minus 0, so we'll have 7 by 7, that means 1. So what we know, if the slope is 1, both of them will be incremented by 1, right? So what we will get for 0, 0, since m is equal to 1, since m is equal, the next point will be 1, 1, right? Because both will be implemented by 1, right? According to the algorithm, what we will see, if m is equal to 1, so both x and y moves in unit interval. So xk plus 1, then yk plus 1. So that is how we got 1, 1. And for example, you just assume that m is 0.5. right? So since it is 0.5, that means what is less than 1, right? So since n is less than 1, so what it says that x will be incremented by 1 unit, right? So we will have 1 and y will be incremented by what? The initial value of y, that is what? 0 plus 1 by m. See the algorithm. If m is less than 1, then x will change in unit interval. That means it will be incremented by 1 and y. Y will be yk plus m. That means yk means the initial value of yk. That is we have 0 and then plus m. We have m whatever the m value. So we have assumed m value
Ma'am.
0.5. Yes.
Ma'am, how many time or how long we should increment this value?
Yeah, the end point will be given in the question paper. So you have to go till the end point. That means, for example, this is the starting point and this is the ending point, right? So this pixel position will be given. And then you have to find the intermediate point, like in between them. Then a line will be drawn like this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So 0 point, then yk value is 0, then plus m. So we have the m is 0.5. So our next pixel is to be plotted is 1, then 0.5, right? Then if we have m is equal to 2, that means what? M is greater than 1, right? So in that case, what will happen? So 0, 0, we will have. So in that case, if m is greater than 1, so y will be incremented by 1, so we will get 1. And what will be the x value? X value will be the initial value of x plus 1 by m. That means 1 by m is our 2, so 1 by 2. So what we will get that case? So half, that means 0.5 and then 1. So that is how actually you have to do the problem. Is it okay? All of you, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now see the actual problem, whatever I have given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the problem was this, right? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, see what was the starting value? Starting value was given 0, 0. That means you have to plot 0 and y plot you have to put 0. So what will be the final coordinate? 0, 0, right? Now you see what we have to do. The next step is that we have to calculate the slope. So calculate slope. So what we will get? That is 5 by 4, right? If we calculate the slope, right? See how we get the slope. y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 0, and x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 0. So we get 5 by 4. And 5 by 4 is greater than 1, right? Or 1.25. So that is greater than 1. That means y will be incremented by 1, right? So how we will continue? We will continue in this process. That what will be our next point? That will be xk plus 1 by m. Will get. So 0, 0, x value, y value. Now the y will be incremented by 1. So that is why we got 1. And x will be the initial value of x and then the m value. So m is 0.8. So 0 plus 0.8 we will get 0.8, right? So one disadvantage of this DDA algorithm is that You have to like round the function. You have to take the integer value from the fraction. So if you get the fraction value, you have to convert it to the integer value. And if you get the point after fraction point, decimal point, if you get greater than or equal to 5, that means you have to take the upper value. If it is less than 5, then you have to take the lower value. So since it is 0.8, that is upper value, so we will consider at 1. Okay, so we will get 1 1. That is like in normal math, what you do in case of eliminating the fraction.
Value.
What?
We cannot take any fraction value.
No, we cannot take any fraction value. Is it okay?
ম্যাম একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল
Yes.
ম্যাম ম্যাম একটু ওই ইয়াটা নিলে ভালো হইতো
What?
পিডিএফটা ম্যাম
Yes.
ম্যাম ম্যাম আমরা এক্স এর মান তো প্লাস 1/m আকারে ইনক্রিমেন্ট করতেছি যখন আমরা থার্ড স্টেপে আসব তখন ওইটা কিভাবে ইনক্রিমেন্ট করব মানে নতুন কোনটার সাথে ইনক্রিমেন্ট করব
Okay, wait. So first we have 0 0, right? That is x, y, x plot, y plot,
Ma'am, what is plot?
y. Is it? So now the first point we don't need to worry, it is given 0 0. So it will be 0 0, it will be 0 0. Now about second point. So since m, what we got about m equal to, what was the value for m? Sorry, 1.25, right? It was m 5/4. Yeah, 1.25. So since 1.25 is greater than 1, so we have to increment 1, right? So and how x will be incremented? So x will be equal to the initial value of x plus 1/m. That is 1/1.25. So what we will get? 0.8, right? So here we will get 0.8. And so since we will not consider the fraction and it's after decimal point, it is having 8 greater than 5, so we will consider as 1. And here also we will get 1. So the point to be plotted will be 1 1. Okay. Now next, what we have.
ম্যাম 1 and 1 একটু আরেকবার বলেন I mean x plot 1 and y plot 1.
You cannot take fraction value. Okay.
Okay,
When you plot in the graph, you cannot take fraction value. So that is why you have to take the integer value. And you have to consider which one is closer. Like if you get like 0.4, so it obviously you will not consider as 1. You have to consider 0. Okay. And since you got a 5 or above 5, so in that case you will take the upper value. So that is why since it is 0.8, so I will take as 1. If it was, let's say, if it would be 0.2, in that case it would be 0. Do you understand?
But ma'am when 0.2 or 0.3.
Same. If you just start from 5, if you just start from 5, then you take the upper value. এটা তো নরমাল ম্যাথে তোমরা কি করো নরমাল ম্যাথে যেটা করো তো সেটাই এটা তো খুবই বেসিক একটা জিনিস যে 1 পয়েন্ট মানে ফ্র্যাকশন পয়েন্টের পরে কিছু বাদ দিলে কি হয় এটা দেখো না যে এটা 7 এখন তুমি যদি এটা লিখতে চাও যে দুটা ঘর লিখতে চাও তাহলে কি লিখবা 1.2 তারপরে 3 এর সাথে এক যোগ হবে না, সো 3 4 হবে না, যদি 7টা বাদ দিতে চাও।
জি ম্যাম, বুঝতে পারছি।
তো ওইটাই তো সেম জিনিসটাই, তো বেসিক ম্যাথ। Okay, so again for the next case, as we know that y will be incremented, so y will be 2, okay? And how x will be incremented? So x will be the initial value. So initial value is what? 0.8, and then see 1 by m.
Ma'am, again 0.8 will be added.
To see the algorithm, that is xk plus 1 by m, that is the initial value of x and then 1 by m. Okay, so we know the value of 1 by m. So what is the value for 1 by m? That is 0.8, right? So 0.8 plus 0.8. So we get 1.6, right? So we will get 1.6. That means we will take this one as 2, this one as 2, so we will get 2 and 2. So this process will be repeated. So again 2.6 plus 0.8. So what you will get? So 3.4. So now it is less than 5. So we will take 3 only, right? So we will take 3 and 3. So what we will get? 3, 3. And what we have next? Again 3, 4 plus 0.8. 4.2. So here we have 4.2 and here we will have 4. So we will have 4, 4, right? So we will get 4 and 4. Now next again. So 0.8. What you will get? 5, right? So here we will get 5, and here I think I have made mistake in there anywhere. It should be 5 2. Okay, let's check it here. Alright, I have made mistake. Then it was 2.4 and 3. So 2, 3. So 2.4 and 3. So here I have made mistake. It should be 2.4, not 3.4. So 1.6 1.6 So 1.6 plus 0.8. Then we get 2.4. Okay. So here we will have 2.4 and it will be incremented by 1, 3. So we will have 2 and 3. Here we will have 2 and 3. Again it will be incremented by
এখানে x plot to 2 হবে।
yes, it is 2.4, so obviously it will be 2. And 2.4 plus 0.8. So we will have 3.2. Okay. So 3.24. So we will have 3 and then 4. So we will take 3 and 4. So again 3.2 plus 0.8. So we will have 4. Okay. So here we will have 4 and it will be incremented by 1, 5. So we need to plot 4 and 5 and then finally we will get our end point, that is 4 and 5. Okay. So that is where you need to stop.
ম্যাম তাহলে ম্যাম আমরা যখন 1.6 পাইছি তখন ম্যাম y2 তাহলে ম্যাম x plot 1 হবে না?
6 আছে না এখানে 5 এর থেকে বেশি না?
এটা তো খুবই নরমাল, মানে এটা তো খুব বেসিক একটা জিনিস, খুবই বেসিক, যেটা সারা জীবন করতেছে একদম ছোটবেলা স্কুল থেকে। এখন এইখানে যদি কনফিউজ থাকো সেটা তো খুবই, কি বলবো।
ম্যাম একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল ম্যাম।
ইয়েস
ম্যাম আমাদের তো দুইটা পয়েন্ট দেওয়া ছিল, মানে দুইটা পয়েন্ট দিচ্ছেন, একটা হলো 0, 0 আর একটা হলো 4, 5। তো এখন যদি 1, 1 বা 4, 5 যদি দেওয়া থাকতো তাহলে কি উপরে যেভাবে সবগুলা x y x পয়েন্ট y পয়েন্ট এন্ড x y এগুলা সবগুলা তো 0 হয়েছে, তখন কি ওই সময় 0 হইতো?
সেটা তুমি ফর্মুলা অনুসারে যাবা, অ্যালগরিদম অনুসারে যাবা, কি দেওয়া থাকলো এটা তো ম্যাটার না। Do you understand?
Yes ma'am.
ম্যাম অলওয়েজ কি আমাদের এন্ডিং পয়েন্টটা চলে আসলে থামতে হবে? যদি একটু আগ পিস যদি একটু চেঞ্জ হয়?
It can be, but like it will be very close. If I just give it random, so that means you may not get the exact result. I can give it random, so in that case you will get some value close to that. Let's say I have given, you have direct got what 4, 5, right? We have got like 4, 5, but it can happen that if I give like 7, instead of giving 4, 5, if I give 5, 5. So, and you may not get directly 5, 5, but you can go close to 5, 5. Like you can get some value 4, 5 or 7, 5, 6, 5, like that. No problem on that. Okay? If your calculation is okay, then it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to draw the line or something, diagram.
No. Here you don't need to draw. So any problem here, anyone?
ম্যাম আরেকটা কোশ্চেন ছিল।
And yes, okay, I will come to you. Onto, just remember after fraction point, if it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to take the upper value, okay?
না ম্যাম আমি বুঝতে পারছি ম্যাম, ওই যে এখানে যে 0.6 এর জন্য এখানে কাজ হয়েছে, আমি এটা খেয়াল করি নাই ম্যাম।
Okay.
বুঝতে পারছি ম্যাম।
Yes,
ম্যাম আরেকটা কোশ্চেন ছিল।
Yes.
ম্যাম যদি m এর মান যদি 1 হয় তাহলে তো x এবং y দুইটার মানই 1 1 করে বাড়বে, তখন তো ম্যাম x আর y এর পয়েন্ট তো সেমই আসবে, যেমন 2 2 3 3 4 4।
Yeah, no problem in that.
আচ্ছা ম্যাম,
So
ঠিক আছে।
Ma'am,
in that way you have to, that is like what, Imon, see, if you get 2244, that is more easier, right? So why do you bother about the value? It does not matter what you are what getting. Let's say this is your, you can see, right, this is your graph, right?
Yes
So
ম্যাম।
there is one point and there is the end point. It is given in the question. So what will be the next point? So let's say you got 2 2. That means what? 1 unit here, x
Yes
1.
ম্যাম।
Let's say 2 2. That means what? X unit 2, y unit 2. So that is
2
what? 1 and 2. Then again 1 and 2. Let's say the next point will be here like this. Again, let's say you got 3 3. So 3
3 3।
here. Then again next will be here like this. So you
Yes
will
ম্যাম।
get the point like this way. Then all the points will be connected together to draw the line. That is the thing. You
ওকে ম্যাম,
understand?
ওকে ম্যাম, ম্যাম আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড।
ম্যাম কে যেন জয়েন করতে পারতেছে না।
Okay, so now I'm giving you one math, so solve it. And one thing, okay, before I give you that math, so you have anything to know or anything to discuss about your exam? Because before exam, this is our last class, I think so.
Ma'am, this math will be included in our midterm exam.
No. No, it will not be included.
Okay, ma'am. So you don't have anything to know about exam or anything you need to repeat or review? Yeah, all right. Since you don't have any doubt or anything, then you solve one math.
Have you got the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. মান ধরবা তাই না?
ম্যাম ওই জায়গায় ফর্মুলাতে ম্যাম ফর্মুলাতে
বাট ম্যাম তাহলে ম্যাম আপনি আগের ম্যাথটা যে করাইছেন তো ম্যাম ওই যে ওইখানে তো দেখলাম যে ফ্র্যাকশনই রাখছেন ম্যাম এর জন্য।
ওকে, জাস্ট
স্টার্টিং পয়েন্ট থেকে শুরু করবো না। আগের ম্যাথ তো ম্যাম 0 0 শুরু করছে, এই জন্য ফার্স্ট পয়েন্ট ছিল 0 0। এবার 1 1 থেকে শুরু করছে, দেন ফার্স্ট পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে 1 1।
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
yeah, first starting point 1 1. What did I give? 1 1 and 9 7, right?
ইয়েস
So
ম্যাম।
1 1 and 9 7.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So what is the value of m? So m is equal to 6 by 8.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
0.75
So 0.75, that means x will be incremented by 1. So x will be basically, x will be initial value, old value of x plus 1, right? And y will be old value of y plus m. It's not 6.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
So what should be the first?
Ma'am, first value is 1.
First is our, we have 1 1.
Yes ma'am.
So obviously we will do 1 1. So the first one will be 1 1
Ma'am,
because it is already there. Second one will be, so x will be incremented by 1, so it will be 2. Y will be y plus m, that is 0.75. So 0.75, so I can take here 2 and 75 can be taken as 1, right? So I will get 2 and 1, right? So you have to go like this. It is more easier. X will be 3. So initial value of y is 75 plus m is also 7.75. So what you
Ma'am.
will get?
Y is 1, then my second, in second pixel, y is 1.75.
What? Who says 1.75? এখন কি আমি তোমাদেরকে এগুলো নিয়ে বুঝবো 1 2 যোগ করলে কি হয়, তারপরে 8/6 ভাগ করলে কি হয়, এটা কোনো কথা?
ম্যাম yk plus 1 equal to yk plus m না, এখানে yk হচ্ছে 1, then plus m হচ্ছে 0.75 equal to 1.75 হবে না, then ম্যাম এটা 2 হয়ে যাবে না?
উফ, এত ফাস্ট কেন যাও? আমি তো যাচ্ছি আস্তে আস্তে, তুমি কি বলতেছো? So what will be our next point? So that is the initial value of y. So what is our initial value of y? That is 0.75, right? And what is the value of m? 0.75. So what will be the result? 1.5.
ম্যাম
So 1.5 will be 2. Yes.
ম্যাম ওই জায়গায় 1 এর সাথে 0.7 যোগ হবে না ওই যে সেকেন্ড স্টেপে, তারপর 1.75 হবে তো ম্যাম সেকেন্ড স্টেপে।
Here.
হ্যাঁ ma'am.
Yes.
Oh yes, we have started from 1.
Yes, ma'am.
1.5.
Ma'am, that's
So
why I
it
said.
will be-
এই
Okay,
জায়গায় তাহলে
alright.
2 হয়ে যাবে ম্যাম।
Yeah, 2. So again 1.75 plus 75, right? So what
Yes
we will
ma'am,
get?
2.5 ma'am, 2.5.
So 2.5, that means we can take 3. So we will
Yes, ma'am.
get 3. Okay, so like this. So you will just continue with this. Okay, so rest of the value you will get like this. Is it done?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so give attendance 1.
Present, ma'am.
2.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
4. Okay, alright. So you take preparation for your exam, okay?
Then software sector.
Yes. Okay, for the face.